Hi, good day. This is always Lovely from Singapore O-Level Max. Now I'm going to discuss a question on plane geometry. What you can see on the screen right now is the diagram that is provided in this plane geometry question. Now this question is 3 marks. It is asking, prove that a circle can be drawn passing through the points T, P, X and Q. Alright, so how can we go about doing this? Now first thing first, what you want to do is to include all the 4 points that I mentioned on the circle itself. So all these 4 points will be on the circumference of the circle. Now the concept that we're going to use is we're going to prove that the angle in the same segment are equal. Now which two angles am I looking at? Now if you look carefully, I've indicated two angles, PXT and PQT. Now the whole purpose is to prove that these two angles are equal. Once I'm able to do that, bingo, I answer the question. Okay, so this is the concept that we want to use. Next, how do we go about proving it? Now in plane geometry question, there are actually some strategies that you can use. One of which, instead of keep referring an angle using like PXT, you can let PXT be X, for example. And for this presentation itself, I'm going to use color to help you. Alright, let's move on. Now, let PXT be X, as I mentioned, and I use color red to indicate that. Now, PXT is also equals to PRQ. Reason, corresponding angle due to the pair of parallel lines. Alright, now let's move on. Now, let angle PSX be Y as indicated by the blue dot. Alright, and then I find another angle that is equal to PSX, which is your PQR. Why? Same reason, corresponding angle. Let angle RPQ be Z. Okay, find another angle that is the same, which is RPQ is equals to RQZ. Alright, reason, alternate segment theorem. Alright, so I hope you're following with me so far. Let's move on. Now as observed, you can see in triangle PQR, our yellow, blue and red will add up to be 180 degrees. Why? Sum of angle in the triangle. Alright, so now may I ask, what is PQT then? PQT is equal to 180 minus Y minus Z, which will give us the value of X. Coming back, isn't X our PXT as well? Alright, so see, I've proven PQT to be equals to PXT. Hence, since both angles are in the same segment, circle passes through the point PXQT. 3 marks. I hope you understand how you can approach this question by making use of some of the angle properties of circle. All the best. Bye bye.